Kitty, 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 kitty. It's getting boring now. What's this? Well, I know it's a cat. I know it has a Pop-Tart body. I know it's in space. Obviously, it's in space because there's stars. But there's no planets. So, the creator of this, I'm sorry, I just don't get it and you're weird. Whoever you are, your creator. No offense. Cat, say something else. Say something else. Like, where do you come from? Where do you come from? I come from Brooklyn. Where do you come from? I come from. Yeah, your friend. It's a friend. It's a friend. What's your name? Meow, 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 meow. Interesting name. My name's Pepper. Say something besides meow so I can understand you. Okay, maybe you can understand me. Meow, 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 meow. Do you know what I said? Oh my God. Okay, you can stop now. I said you can stop now. Can it be over? Can it be over? Oh, I thought it was gonna end. Say something else now. I said say something else now. Do you understand? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? I don't get this. Question time! So what was happening during the video? Well, I don't know. I was too busy thinking, when is it going to be over? So, how many subscribers do you think this video has? I don't know, 700? 83 because it's not so popular. 1 million? I don't know. I wouldn't know that. I never looked. Infinity! She's my best friend. Infinity. I bet you it's infinity, right? Right? Infinity isn't a number. Aww. Maybe it has... Wait. I don't know. Oh, I thought I would know the answer. I think it would say about 30,000. I wouldn't know that, but I just like kittens. I think it had 2 because I don't really like cats. Not you, Pepper. I mean like cats that meow too much, non-stop, like that kind. That kind. I don't think anybody watched it yet, just us. I want to subscribe. Say the question again. How many subscribers do you think gave this video? 100? Actually, this video got 24,289 subscribers. What? No way. Never. No. Okay, so let's go back to what was happening during the video. I told you that the cat was pulling a rainbow in space, but space didn't have any planets. So I don't get it. Well, I know it was a cat. I know it had a Pop-Tart body. I know it was pulling a rainbow. But I don't know where he was. Was he in Starland? Oh, I love stars. Stars. Everything must be stars. If nothing is stars, like if something doesn't have stars, I just will hate that person or thing. Cats. It was a cat, and it was a Pop-Tart on himself. So the cat was wearing a Pop-Tart, and he had rainbow streamers coming out from his butt. And he was in Sprinkletown. White Sprinkletown. Okay? White Sprinkletown. Maybe I think he was in Starland too. I think Starland is a really cool place. Because I just love stars. Everything gotta be stars. Everything, just everything. It needs to be. If nothing stars, just like Chelsea, I would just hate that person or sing. Whatever. I'm sorry. I just love stars. So he was in Starland. He put a Pop-Tart on his stomach. And he was right in front of a rainbow, but rainbows don't come at nighttime, so I don't know what that means. I was paying attention to the cat so much that I actually know the name. Nyan cat. It was Nyan cat. I love you, Nyan cat.